All right, so the next project I just wrapped up was the Audi Allroad. So we started this, so we're on day 3 right now. So this is a lightly modified, great spec Monsoon Gray Allroad. So this is the daily driver to the Porsche Boxster that we just finished up. I did a very, almost identical treatment on this in terms of a 2-stage paint correction, ceramic coating, and then the one additional piece was we used a ceramic coating for all the plastic trim. Right, so the Audi Allroads have, all these fender flares. It's on the front, it wraps around the back bumper. So we treated that with IGL trim. Interior treatment was similar in that the leather was cleaned and conditioned. We used Shine Supply and Sonex products. Nice Vorsteiner wheels, they're in great shape. They were thoroughly cleaned. Obviously windows, but the bulk of the work was the correction and then getting the coating on for protection. IGL suggests about 2 years worth out of Quartz, so now the owner has both cars on similar time schedules, so that should make his life a little easier in terms of maintenance. Because of the ceramic, the maintenance should be pretty straightforward. I suggested to him 2 toppers, one being reload and then using Ec2O as the more frequent, but reload would be like the bi-monthly top coat. I did put IGL Premier on top of the Quartz, so it'll have a nice topper when it leaves here. The weather is supposed to turn this weekend, but it's been curing. We put the coating on last night, so it'll be 24 hours today. And then by the time he picks it up, there'll be plenty of time with me, so I'm not worried about, the rain or snow that's supposed to come this weekend. It'll be fully cured by then. So, that's about it. I'll show some of the glamour shots now, and that'll wrap up this project. Hopefully my new lenses are coming. I do want to do more, updates along the way, instead of showing just the final footage. But, I think the camera footage is worthwhile because, the pictures only show it so well. So we'll show some glamour shots now.